A very good morning to all our parents, students, and teachers working from home. And of course, I know these are challenging times. And a brief message to the parents: please keep your children home, keep your children safe, look after them. And of course, we encourage all those who have not vaccinated themselves, please get vaccinated, and let's bring Fiji to normalcy. I understand the children wish to go back to school, and we are still awaiting the decisions from the Ministry of Health to ensure when schools will open. To all the students, I know you are equally excited to hear about whether you are one of the winners of the home learning video competition that we launched in the month of July. And this was done to ensure that learning continued even while you were at home. I'm sure you're all aware that I'm moving to my new ministry that will still include you, and that is the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation. As I bid farewell to the Ministry of Education, I would like to ensure that what we promised to you in the way of tablets and school stationery packages is delivered to you at the earliest. So today we are here, and we are here to announce the winners for all 4 divisions. We were overwhelmed with the responses from the children and their parents. In total, we received 829 entries from all the divisions. And it was very exciting to see that our children had so much skills. It was also exciting to see the parental support, the sibling support that our children received while they were preparing these videos at home. Special mention to the outstanding entries. We saw the concept of triple R, reduce, reuse, and cycle. That was very interesting. And getting to know the computer skills, the video recording skills of our students, and of course, paying particular attention to exercise and physical activities, eating the right type of food, engaging themselves with a lot of household chores, and assisting their parents. Yeah, very, very exciting. I must thank all the parents for their support. I must thank all the students who participated in this video competition. And equally interesting was how these videos were produced within the comforts of their own homes and following all the COVID safety restrictions time. So on behalf of the ministry, on behalf of the team who judged us, we have one of our judges here who will explain how difficult it was to judge the entries that we received. And of course, I must commend you for the quality of the videos that was produced. Outstanding. So to all my students who participated, thank you very much, and congratulations to the winners at the forefront. So here we have our primary school category winners. The first prize goes to Ishan Maharaj. And the names of all these winners will be published in the media tomorrow, so that they can be advised as to when they will collect their prizes. The second prize to Talay Nasova, and the third prize goes to Shawaiz Beg for the Central Division. The students' names and schools will again be published tomorrow. The Western Division, we have Eleni Mahekwa and his team for the first prize. The second prize goes to Robert Bona, and the third prize in the Western Division goes to Nancy Robinson. For the Northern Division, the first prize goes to Rishma Deo, second prize goes to Ethan Rosy, and the third prize goes to Saleh Loma Loma. And finally, for the Eastern Division, and I commend the students from the Eastern Division who participated in this competition regardless of the challenges they face. So the first prize goes to Nirav Prasad, Eastern Division. The second prize goes to Merawati Kalomoro, and the third prize goes to Marika Taufa. All these students received, can I have the tablet? All of these students received a tablet with free data for them to carry on with their home learning, and of course, a big hamper of a stationery pack that will also help them in their learning. For the secondary school category, we have a first prize that goes to Tevita. I'm sure Tevita knows who he is. The second prize goes to Kelera Fong and Amelia, and the third prize goes to Frederick Fong. For the Western Division, in the secondary category, the first prize goes to Eleanor and Fio Gasanevalu. The second prize goes to Paris Wakeham. The third prize goes to Shreya Shail. In the Northern Division for the secondary category, Alumita Modewa. Second prize, Joshua Rounds. Third prize, Nazabi. For the Eastern Division, the first prize goes to Temesi Kalomoro, and the second prize for the Eastern Division goes to Niral Prasad. We do not have a third prize winner for the Eastern Division secondary category. These students, your names and your schools will again be published in the media tomorrow. I congratulate you for your efforts and I wish you well. Please keep learning at home while schools around the country open for normal classes. And to the media, thank you very much. I hope the winners are happy as we are. And stay tuned for the next competition that will come for the next round. Meanwhile, continue taking part in the Constitution Day competition that is on. We have published it on our ministry page as well. The President has announced this competition, and I encourage you to take part in this competition while you wait for the ministry's next round of competition. I thank you all. God bless you. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you. It's that moment I'm sure that the students have been waiting for, and it's my pleasure to announce the winners of the home learning video competition that we launched in the month of March. So, the winners are, I'll start with the primary school category. In the Central Division, the winner is Ishan Maharaj, and he's from Nasinu Sangam Primary School. The second prize goes to Telei Nasova from Bhavani Dayal, and the third prize goes to Shawais Beg, who studies at Nasinu Muslim Primary School. The Western Division winners for the primary category, the first prize goes to Eleni Mahekwa and his team, and they are from Tangange District School. The second prize, Robert Bona, who studies at Korotongo Andhra Primary School. Nancy Robinson from St. Thomas Primary School takes the third prize. For the Northern Division, Rishma Deo takes the first prize from Lambasa Sangam. Ethan Rosy from Galito District takes the second prize. And the third prize goes to Selai Loma Loma, who studies at St. Mary's Primary School. For the Eastern Division, the first prize goes to Nirav Prasad. Nirav studies at Bureta District School. Second prize goes to Merewati Kolomoro, and she is our special school student at Nora Fraser Special School. Hearty congratulations to Merewati. The third prize goes to Marika Taufa, and Marika Taufa studies at Levuka Public School. We have winners in our secondary category as well. We'll start with the Central Division winners. The first prize goes to Tevita, and Tevita is a student of Suvagrama High School. The second prize goes to Kelera Fong and Amelia, who study at ACS. The third prize for the Central Division goes to Frederick Fong, a student of Jainarayan College. Ladies and gentlemen, for the Western Division, the first prize winners are Elona and Fiona Gasanevalu, who are students of Xavier College. Paris Wakeham, second prize, Reki Public High School, and Shreya Shail, who studies at Nathambua High School, takes away the third prize for the Western Division. For the Northern Division, the first prize goes to Alumita Modewa, and she is a student of Budalevu Secondary. Second prize to Joshua Rounds, and Joshua is a student of Ului Valili Secondary School. The third prize goes to Nazhabi, and she's a student of Lambasa College. The final winners for the Eastern Division, with first prize, we have Temesi Kalomoro, and he's a student of Levuka Public. And the second prize also goes to Levuka Public, to the student Nidal Prasad. Once again, a big congratulations to all our winners, and of course, to all those who participated. Thank you. Thank you for taking part in your home learning video competition, and congratulations once again. Thank you.